Hello, beautiful. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. Today haircut is for beautiful black women. If you're really confused on kind of hairstyle you want to work, for that occasion, or for those that want to start work, or for the beautiful women that want to go back to school, this is a haircut for everyone. And sometimes if you really want that perfect short, natural African American hairstyle, you need to make the hair lower, because when the hair is low, it will give you different styling options or ideas on how you can style your hair, and it will be so easier to achieve curls or the fine style you want. Okay, so we have this beautiful haircuts that are gorgeous for beautiful black women, and those styles can really create that beautiful head hugging curve. So one the way this styles is a haircut for every woman. If you have the salt and pepper, or you have the gray hair, so this will even make you more of a show-stopping style, because the styling time, there's no styling time involved with this kind of hairstyle. And one thing with this style is that it's for beautiful matured women. It will always leave the face and always add that fun, playful feel to your black hair type. Wearing your short natural hair will always help you to embrace your texture, and it will pull those coils out gently, like adding those highs. I always talk about, if you really want to achieve those beautiful style that will suit your face and your personal style, don't forget to have the sides shorter and longer on the top, because it will really give you that volume you want and open up the face to let your features, such as those that love to wear glasses, to shine. Take a good look on the style. It's so gorgeous, it's so beautiful. Try wearing very short natural tight curls, especially for the beautiful matured women in their 50s. If you really need that fresh new natural short haircut, just let some maybe tendrils fall around your forehead and have the shape layered to create that softer rounded bevel like on the lens, because don't forget, it will always elevate your face shape. Take a good look on the style. Isn't it looking so gorgeous? So when looking for natural hairstyles for short hair, always opt for the fine curls. Whether you have the Tracy hair or you have the Fossey hair, no matter the type of your hair, natural curls will always be timeless and classy. Although it can take some experimenting, like those products I talk about, like the MIELLE kit, trying different products, or trying the coil sauce, the domes, or the kings and coils, and some other products I've always talked about. Although this is not a sponsored video, but why I always recommend this product is because I've used them before, and I can testify to their to the products, because they are good and will suit all hair type. So try using those products, because it will always make your styling to get those coils right, and always consider a shorter length to really let the coil bounce up and always frame your face. I love this beautiful haircut. It's so gorgeous. So natural short hairstyles, don't forget, it will always create that youthful haircut, like when considering natural haircut for short hair, to play away sometimes for the lovers of side part, to always give that little height to the hair. So if you have that kind of chubby face, then when the length sits at the cheek, it will always emphasize your beautiful feature. So with this in mind, let me let you guys to please check out the rest of the styles. I love you guys. God bless you guys. Stay lucky wearing the styles. See you guys in my next video.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind.